Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you're on Twitter, I must have been seeing this, like there is this airdrop currently going on like ratio. Well, this one is no ratio, this one is SRB Stellar program. So all you do is just to mention them, like mention their handle, something like this. Now you mention their handle and then you earn points. I'm going to show you. Like you can see that, like all you have to do is to sign in, connect your Twitter account. I'll just click on the link I'll be dropping on this video description now and get started. So it is what you have to comment, just something like this, or you mention their handle in case you are afraid if else we ban your account. Do you understand? So when you click on the link, look, this is their site. I'll leave this link on this video description. Do you understand? So I've just clicked on the link. So for you to farm, you just mention this handle now. Do you see what they wrote? They said Stellar program created by at SB Cosmic Plan, a former senior architect at Microsoft Xbox Game Studies. Mention Stellar or $SRB and get bonus point. Do you see that? So once you click on the link on this video description now, you get started. So I've just clicked on the link, then you'll be logging in, you'll be connecting your wallet. Make sure that you connect the wallet that you don't have an asset. Do you understand? Just connect a Bona wallet. So let me show you. So guys, if you are connecting, connect a Bona wallet, connect a wallet that you don't have an asset. So when you click on the link, this is what is actually going to show you. So when you click on the link, this interface will show up. So once this interface show up now, you click on this sign in at the upper side. You can see that. So let's click on that. So if we click on that, we're actually going to connect our wallet. Do you understand? You can see that. So I'm going to input my password. So you connect your wallet. You can actually see that my wallet is actually showing there. You can see that. So the next is to sign in with Twitter account. You can see that it said activate your account, bind your Twitter account to complete registration. You see that, so I'm going to click on sign in with Twitter. So I'm actually going to connect my Twitter. I think I'm going to make a tweet. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. So scroll down to my channel, the other important videos are also going to benefit from. So I'm actually going to click on authorize app. You can actually see that. So we log in. Don't feed anything in terms of crypto. Don't feed anything. Just give it a shot. You are not paying anybody. Do you understand? So immediately you see this video now, you get to action. So I've actually signed in. It said tweet type original tweet. You can actually see how to earn points, views. You can actually earn points by views and likes. So I'll click on start now. Do you see that? I'll click on start now. To see enable project Stellar, we invite you to follow our Twitter account and share our confirmation code. If you have already shared, please check the status. After 5 minutes, we will only check your latest activity. Follow us on Twitter, share, forward tweet. Do you see that? So I'm actually going to do that now. I'm going to follow them on Twitter now. So when you click on that, you just click on follow. Do you see that? So I'll go back to their site now. So I'm going to click on share now. Do you see that? So we'll click on share. Make sure that you see this video to the end. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, click on the link on this video description now and join the channel. Then as I say, I just claimed 500k points on Stellar program. Try SRB Stellar program me. So I'll click on post. You see that? So if you are farming ratio now, it will be easy for you. Just mention two of them. Why farming ratio? Just like you killing two birds with one stone. Do you see that? So I'm going to go back to the account now. So the main one is to forward to it. Do you see that? So we click on forward to it. So guys, I'm going to make a retweet. Do you see that? I will repost. Understand? So I'm just go back to the account, to the site now. So I've actually done all this. Do you see that? So I'll give them some time and then let's see what it shows. So guys, you can actually see a blue tick there. If you look there, you see a blue tick. Do you see that? There's blue tick here. You see that it's actually marked that I actually performed the task. So let me wait on the next task. Let me see what is actually going to show up. So I'll give it a little time. So guys, I think after performing those three tasks, I'm good to go. So to see your points here, you click on start. Do you see that? If you farm tip coin, you know start means to see your activity. Do you understand? So look at the upper side, you can actually see that. So let's click on that. So if we click on start, we now see that the tweet that I made. We see 1/5. Do you see that? So automatically you make 5 tweets a day, and then daily quote 5, daily reply 0/10. So to get your invite link, you click on this invite code. So you'll be needing 10 invite. Like the only invite you can actually get is just 10 persons. So once the 10 persons exceed, now you can actually like get another link. Like, do you understand? So this is way after registration. Sorry, this is way to get your invite link. I mean, so guys, get to work. Remember, you only mention their handle. So once you follow them, as you are farming, you should also farm this one. Do you understand? So guys, that will be all for now. I'll keep you guys updated if there is any other thing. So you can actually go through their site, navigate. You can actually add this to your home screen so that you can keep track of your record. Like to add it to your home screen, just click on these three dots at the right hand side. So when you click on it, you can actually see add to home screen. You can see that. So I'm adding it to home screen so that it will be easy for me to access instead of searching browsers. Do you understand? So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.